When it comes to maintenance strategies, we've typically got three techniques we can choose from: reactive maintenance, planned maintenance, or predictive maintenance. I want to talk a little bit more about predictive maintenance and what that involves. As the name suggests, we want to try to predict when we think that the asset or the equipment is going to need maintenance, or when we think it's likely to fail and how long we've got until that point. We can use a combination of historical information and condition-based monitoring to help us find that perfect time. We then try to plan in or schedule the maintenance at an appropriate time that doesn't cause us too much disruption. It's a great strategy if we've got a random failure profile, as opposed to something which is more age or wear related, which could be better suited to planned maintenance. Some of the techniques that are involved in predictive maintenance could include visual inspection or non-destructive testing, or perhaps condition-based monitoring like vibrational analysis, oil analysis, infrared thermography for temperature, or just measuring oils and lubricants. But don't underestimate the power of operator and technician inspections, or just checks in everyday working environments. They work on the equipment every day. They know how it normally behaves and when there's something that's going wrong. Look, listen, smell, feel can detect a huge proportion of these failure potentials. So make sure that we listen and take into account these as options to help us make a better maintenance plan and overall strategy. Don't forget to subscribe to hear more about these maintenance techniques or just engineering and technology in general. Hope to see you again soon.